Pneumoperitoneum refers to free gas in the peritoneal cavity, and it appears on an erect chest radiograph as a subdiaphragmatic lucency. The green arrows demarcate the right hemidiaphragm, which appears radiographically as a thin white line. The red arrows demarcate the upper border of the liver, and between the liver and the right hemidiaphragm is a thick crescent of air. Sandwiched between the blue arrows is a portion of gas-filled colon. Adjacent to it is free air under the left hemidiaphragm. Here's a much less conspicuous case of pneumoperitoneum. Notice the thin area of increased blackness between the diaphragm, which has been highlighted in purple, and the liver beneath it. Here the subdiaphragmatic air is highlighted in blue. The crescentic lucency is not always easy to see, so you may need to look closely. Here the subdiaphragmatic gas is much easier to identify. Note how clearly the right hemidiaphragm is demarcated. Even the medial aspect is visible, a portion normally obscured by the cardiac silhouette, albeit in this case there's quite a bit of rotation. In this radiograph, you will notice that the air crescent beneath the right hemidiaphragm has a sharp horizontal border at its inferior margin. This is an air fluid level, because in this case there is both free air and fluid in the abdominal cavity. In this image, a discrete amount of free gas is discernible between the medial portion of the left hemidiaphragm. An important pitfall to remember is that the absence of subdiaphragmatic air does not rule out a pneumoperitoneum. In this image, not only is there a right-sided subdiaphragmatic lucency, a double wall sign, also known as Rigler sign, is evident beneath the left hemidiaphragm. The double wall sign occurs when extraluminal gas is present on either side of the intestinal wall, thus resulting in a clear outline of the intestine. In this image, the thin intestinal wall is highlighted by the red arrows. Here's a supine abdominal radiograph of pneumoperitoneum. Note how well defined the loops of bowel are. Intra and extraluminal air outline the inner and outer surfaces of the intestine respectively. The contrast in densities allows for the clear demarcation of the bowel wall. A pneumoperitoneum is often more easily detected in the left lateral decubitus position. In this image, the liver edge is demarcated by the red arrows. The green arrows point towards free intra-abdominal air. Also note the air fluid level, indicated by the blue arrows. In this left lateral decubitus projection, the pneumoperitoneum is vividly evident. This image was taken from the same patient as the preceding radiograph. Gas outlines both the liver and intestine. I hope you found this lecture to be helpful and worth your time. Please feel free and very welcome to leave a comment or suggestion below. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and check out some of the other videos in this channel.